Well, just went and had a chat with a old buddy of mine, and I just purchased a new project here. It's gonna be a full build here. Little Braadley GT kit car. We're gonna do a wild build on this one. Braadley GT II. Here you go. Got a broken window there, and I think it's got a little curve to it, so probably gonna have to build a new one out of like plexiglass or something. We'll have to see what everybody thinks, but I'm thinking probably go lime green with the paint job on this. I think that is a plexiglass window, and it got bolts through it. It's got the steering here. He ripped the column out of it to get the wheel to turn. A little radio over there. Probably put a big touch screen one in there, do it all up. But we're gonna go home, get the car hauler hooked up. Got some pretty sweet turbine wheels all the way around her. But yeah, we'll go get the trailer, get her loaded. Maybe we'll even go grab barrows. Got tires blown up and we're getting her on the trailer. Had to take this door off, bolts are missing. Huh? Yeah, okay. Got my dad helping me load her up. A little further.
Boy, this is a nice trailer. Wow.
A little more.
I went to garage sale if I seen this trailer.
Okay, here we go. Well, get her strapped down and get her home, and then we'll look her over a little better. Well, got the tires all blowed up. Got her home here. Get the little hood here. It wasn't hinged on. We're lucky we didn't lose that driving home. Luckily, it was only like 3 miles. Gonna have to get some new hinges for it. Like that one's unhooked. I think that one broke with the rust. Just get some regular hinges, I think, put on that. Maybe get a couple of them little shock deals. There's a little hood latch down there. Got to get it lined up. Missing one of the little vent here. Get another one for that side or something. It's got a little back hatch here. Opens up here. I'll figure out how that opens. I'm sure there's a little thing in the back or cable inside or something for it. This door's just sitting on for now. Gotta put bolts and the hinges up there. Might have to do a little shaping too. Looks like they heard it here. Put a little Bondo on it. And now the door's kind of not lining up right there right. So I'll have to shave that down right. A little center console in there. Got some couple rust holes in the floor there. Probably gonna have to put a new pan at least on this side. Probably just get both. See if we can get in here. Get me some little racing buckets for this. Gonna have to lay back because my head's about taller than the roof. Look at the cool little shifter they got in here. Got a little slide deal on it for the reverse or whatever. We can go pick up another project tonight that's gonna have a lot of the parts to build this, and then I believe we're gonna go through and clean up one of my Ford 2.3 turbo motors and put it in here. Your gas gauge, amps, pounds per square inch. I don't know what that's for. It's like a turbo gauge or something, I don't know. Or RPMs, miles per hour. Yeah, pretty cool. Got a little radio hole over there. Like I say, we might widen that. Put a nice touch screen in here. Throw down some cool carpet. A little door handle there. This door's missing a window, but it's all flat plexiglass. So all we got to do is see this one right here. These ones here actually has a knob. You can undo the knobs and just lift the glass piece out of there. Drive around with like T-tops. But got some cutouts there. Look like probably for a 6x8, 6x9. And get that done up. Put some new. We'll put some good carpet all around in here. Got some little lift deals there on that. Probably gonna have to rig up some little lift deals on the door somewhere. So you're gonna want to hold the door open. Looks like there's a hole there for that. And a hole in the back. Just put a couple little lifts on there. There's the holes in the door. Climb out of this thing. I'm a huge boy. Okay, so we've got cables here. One of these is going to be for your back window and one's going to be for your hood. See what we got here. Yeah, we're going to have to figure it out. Do it all up, but I'm sure that's what those are for. Probably unhooked or something. But yeah, should be a cool little project when we get her done here. Got the little pop-up headlights. These were a really cool little car, the original Braadley GT, but they didn't make very many of them. Pretty hard to find. Touch up a little fiberglass work there. Yeah, them are pretty cool wheels. Get some good stuff soak on there. Clean them all up. Take all the oxidation off of them. But yeah, something you don't really see. And we got her dirt cheap, so we can afford to throw a little bit into her for a project, and maybe we'll flip it when we're done. Who knows? Stay tuned, and we'll do some more videos on this little guy.